welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my wardrobe for my trip to California. My birthday is coming up this coming week and I'm going to be going to California for the week. So I'm going to show you guys my wardrobe and what I will be wearing while I'm there. So if you guys want to see, the cool summer stuff that I got on sale, by the way, if you're looking for some last minute end of summer sales, make sure you stay till the end of the video. I'm going to be showing you guys all the cool stuff that I got. All right, let's go. Okay, so this is the first item and I got it from Shein. It's just the top, the pants are old. But I love that it is sheer, so it means that it's going to be lightweight anytime when I decide to throw on a jacket in the fall, but it's also light enough for the summertime. And I think it was $5. So yup, this is it. And I'm going to show you the back. It's really cute and I paired it with this black pants. And if I was going out, I would wear this with maybe a pair of heels. I think it's a cute date night look. Pow! So this is it. Alright guys, this is outfit number 2 and it is this cute mini dress. Okay? Hey! I'm gonna be shocking the oats. I love this dress, you guys. When I first saw this dress, I was like, I don't know. It's probably gonna be one of those where I have to do a lot of shifting, but when I put it on, I was like, honey. Yes, we have arrived. It's a floral dress and I got it from Pretty Little Thing. Same as this cute little purse. I think the two just go well together because of the color contrast. And it has these balloon sleeves, which are so cute. I just love how it accentuates my body. It just curves me so well. It just fits like a glove. The back is not tied up because Joey's not home, so I can't zip up the back, but this is the back. I'm gonna step forward so you guys can see it. This is the back, and this is the front, honey. And I got these shoes from Pretty Little Thing as well. I really wish you guys could see how this looks with the dress fully zipped up. It looks so cute, but it is what it is. We're just gonna work with what we have and just move on. So yeah, this is the first dress that I'm gonna be wearing, and I plan on wearing this on maybe Friday when we're going to dinner, and then probably go to a lounge. I think it's the perfect dress to wear on a Friday night. Okay, so here's outfit number 2. It is a sage tailored suit. Actually, I don't think it's tailored. I also got this from PLT. I got the shoes as well from PLT, and I got this bag from Mango, and I plan on wearing this outfit as is. I also got this lace crop top from Pretty Little Thing. And this is how I plan on wearing this outfit. I think the suit has really soft fabric, so you can wear this on hot days in humid temperatures, which is perfect because California is a little bit on the warm side, so I was a little bit afraid that it was going to be heavy, but it's not, which is perfect because then I can just take off the blazer. I'm gonna take it off so you guys can see. Isn't this cute? Look at this. Look. Let me come close so you guys can see. Look at that. Then I'm going to show you the back so you guys can see. Look how cute that top is. So cute. And the pants are high waist, which is good. When I eat and I get so full, I can just take them off. Well, I can not take them off, but I can just pull them up and keep on with my day. But this is the second outfit. I really dig this. This is one of my favorite, actually. only because it's so cute. Okay, so this is going to be my birthday dress. It's the dress that I'm going to wear to dinner on the day of my birthday. And I just love how it's just so free and very structured. The fabric is extremely soft. It feels very cushiony, like, but it's just such a beautiful dress. I actually got this dress to wear it to my best friend's wedding, and she decided to postpone her wedding, so I decided to keep it for my birthday. And I think it is the perfect dress. Red is my favorite colors, so I couldn't think of a better dress. I got this dress from ASOS, and I'm going to wear it with these shoes that I got from Schutz. I love Schutz. They have beautiful and elegant shoes for every girl. So this is going to be the dress. All right, here is the other outfit, and it is a shirt dress. So I got this shirt dress from PLT, Pretty Little Thing, and I got this bag from Mango, and I got this harness from Shein, and I got this shoes from Mango. This outfit is bomb, 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 bomb. I love the harness. It's just such a unique touch to the look. I'll show you the back. It's giving me vibes, vibes, vibes on vibes on vibes. And I love how airy and free this dress is. So if I get hot, I'm not gonna be too hot, you know? It's cute. Here is outfit number last. The last outfit is this top from Zara. So the whole outfit is from Zara. This top is so cute, that kind of have a silhouette that carves in like that. It's kind of like a semi-corset, but it doesn't feel like one. It looks like one. And this is how it looks at the top. I really love. And these jeans, I love these jeans. I love how they have some distressed effects to them, and I love, you guys can see the bottom. It's really cute. I love that little detail at the bottom. And I'm wearing those Schutz shoes with the outfit. They go really well with the whole look. And yeah, this is a cute outfit for happy hour, actually. And dinner, maybe. It's really cute. And I would wear this zebra bag with the outfit. This is the back. I love those jeans. Oh my goodness. They fit like a glove, but then you can't get too much in these because then you will just be so uncomfortable. I'm going to show you how tight they are. There's no breathing space. I mean, this is the breathing space that I have. That much. So it's just a champagne and a d'oeuvres kind of outfit. So this is all that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Drop some comments down below. Let me know what you thought. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.